Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to continue downloads and updates in sleep mode on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once everything is up and running, we can begin configuring the settings that will allow your downloads and updates to continue even when your PC would normally go to sleep. Start by clicking on the Windows Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, type in Settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This will launch the Microsoft Windows Settings menu, which is your central hub for customizing how your computer operates. From the Settings menu, look for and click on the System option. This section controls many of the fundamental aspects of how your computer functions, including power management. On the left-hand side of the System settings, you'll see various options listed. Click on Power and Sleep to access the power management settings that control when your screen turns off and when your computer goes to sleep. Within the Power and Sleep settings, you'll notice a section labeled Screen. Under this section, there's a drop-down menu that shows different time intervals for when your screen should turn off. Click on this drop-down and you'll see several time options available. From these options, select Never. This ensures your screen stays on continuously, which is important for maintaining active downloads and updates. Now head back to your Start menu again. This time type in Edit Power Plan and press Enter. A new window will appear showing your current power plan settings. This is where you can make more detailed adjustments to how your computer manages power consumption and sleep behavior. In this Power Plan settings window, look for the option that says Put the computer to sleep. Change this setting to Never as well. This prevents your computer from entering sleep mode automatically, which would normally pause your downloads and updates. Just below this option, you'll see a link that says Change Advanced Power Settings. Go ahead and click on this link to access even more granular control over your power management. A new dialog box will open with Advanced Power Settings. Look for the section labeled Hard Disk. Expand this section and you'll see an option that says Turn off hard disk after, with a minute selector field next to it. Here you'll want to enter the estimated time in minutes that you expect your downloads or updates to take. This ensures your hard disk remains active throughout the entire download process without shutting down prematurely. Once you've entered your desired time, click Apply to save this specific setting. After all your settings are properly adjusted, click Save Changes in the main Power Plan settings window. This finalizes all the modifications you've made and ensures your computer will stay awake to complete downloads and updates. And there you have it. Your Windows 11 computer is now configured to keep downloads and updates running without interruption. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.